Hey my friends, it's Alex Zubarev, and today we're gonna talk about number one question you get if you're in home business arena, even if you're in affiliate marketing space, if you are promoting any business opportunity online. Number one question people ask you, John, Mary, have you made any money with this? And most people at that point don't know what to say because they're brand new, right? You're probably brand new. You don't have any results yet, right? How dare they asking you that question, right? So I'm gonna help you today in this video, so pay attention. If you marketing anything online, chances are, if you have a good system, if you have a good funnel, right? If you have a good follow-ups, you probably have case studies, right? And what are the case studies? Those are testimonials from people using the system, that particular platform, that already have results, right? So if you're using something that has that, you need to utilize them, right? And that's the weapons, right, that you can use in your arsenal to overcome most of the objections. If you're doing email marketing, right, if you're sending follow-up emails, I would suggest you use those kind of emails and videos if you have them, right? So if you have a single mom that may be on welfare, and she's raising kids and she has results with the system, well, that's gonna be relatable to other single moms out there that are probably in the similar situation. They want to overcome that situation, right? If you have a testimonial from a fireman or from police force, for example, that doing this part-time and they're getting results, well, use them because that's going to be relatable to people with in the same profession, right? If you have retirees, right, that want to supplement their income, that they're on the fixed income, but they make an extra $1,000, extra $3,000, $5,000 a month. Well, if you use that in your follow-ups in the right way, right, that's going to be relatable to other people on your list that are in the same situation. They want to supplement their income. They want to make more money from home. They want to spend more time with their grandkids, and so on and so forth, right? And same thing for maybe, people that are stuck in 9 to 5, right? If they're doing this and they have results, use that because that's going to be relatable to people in the same situation, stuck in a cubicle. They want to escape the rat race, right? So always use the systems that have that, those follow-ups, those video testimonials, case studies, and that's gonna really increase your conversions, your sales. And if somebody is asking if you're making money, you have no idea what to say, well, show them those case studies, right? Show them those testimonials and tell that person, hey, John, listen, I just started this business. I just started this, promoting this. Obviously, I don't have results, but check out all these case studies. Check out, people from all walks of life getting results with this particular system, right? And if you don't have that, then your job is a little bit tougher, right? So look for the system that actually has those things already done for you. So your job as a marketer becomes that much easier. So this is a really short video for you guys today. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully you got the light bulb moment, because if you don't have something like that, then it's going to be a lot harder for you to convert, especially cold traffic. And cold traffic is those people that don't know you just yet, right? They don't trust you, they're skeptical, they don't believe you, right? So for cold traffic conversions, always look for systems that have lots of case studies and testimonials, because that's gonna propel your success that much quicker. So with that, like it, share it, comment if you got value from this video, and I'll see you guys on the top.